Brazil's medical device market was buzzing last week with a major announcement from the national regulatory agency ANVISA. In early December 2025, the agency unveiled a new expedited registration pathway for medical software utilizing artificial intelligence and machine learning. This move is specifically aimed at diagnostic tools, particularly in high-burden areas like cardiology and oncology. On the surface, this is a game-changer. Brazil represents one of the largest and most promising medtech markets in Latin America. For innovators in the AI space, a fast-track approval process could mean slashing market entry timelines from years to months. The potential to quickly deploy life-saving diagnostic software to millions is immense, and international companies immediately took notice. However, the initial excitement is now meeting a complex reality. The announcement provided a high-level framework but lacked detailed guidance on critical submission requirements. This ambiguity has created significant hurdles, as seen with a US-based startup we can call Cardio AI. Armed with both FDA clearance and an EU CE mark for their cardiovascular diagnostic algorithm, Cardio AI rushed to be one of the first to use the new pathway. Their application was swiftly rejected. The rejection highlighted two critical gaps. First, their clinical validation data, while robust, did not include specific datasets representative of Brazil's diverse population demographics. Second, their cybersecurity and data privacy protocols did not adequately address Brazil's General Data Protection Law, the LGPD, a point of increasing scrutiny by ANVISA for connected devices. This case reveals a crucial lesson about global market expansion. Regulatory fast-tracks are often not as simple as they appear. The burden of proof for safety and efficacy does not decrease, it simply shifts. In the case of AI, regulators are increasingly focused on algorithm fairness, data bias, and local data security. A technical dossier prepared for the FDA or a European notified body is a strong foundation, but it is rarely sufficient for a direct submission elsewhere. Local nuances are critical. A local regulatory partner in Brazil would have anticipated the need for a bridging study using local data and would have flagged the specific LGPD compliance documentation ANVISA expects to see. Without this on-the-ground intelligence, the fast track became a costly delay for Cardio AI. This situation in Brazil is a microcosm of a global trend. As regulators worldwide adapt to new technologies, they create periods of opportunity mixed with uncertainty. Success depends not just on innovation, but on navigating the intricate, unwritten rules of each new market. For expert guidance on navigating these complex and evolving global regulatory landscapes, you can email info@pureglobal.com or visit Pure Global online.